3. If the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0 has the center at 2 comma 3. Center at 2 comma 3. Find out small a comma small b. Find out small a comma small b and radius of the circle. Find out small a comma small b and radius of the circle. Here given that the center of the circle at 2 comma 3. Find out small a comma small b values. Small a comma small b values. Here given that center is equal to 2 comma 3. Center is equal to 2 comma 3. Here center of the circle is equal to 2 comma 3. Here given that center, here we find the equation of the circle x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 equal to 0. Find the center of the circle and equal to 2 comma 3. Means first of all, we given equation comparing with general equation. Given equation comparing with general equation. General equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here x coefficient to 2g. 2g is equal to a. G is equal to a by 2. Y coefficient to 2f. 2f is equal to b. F equal to b by 2. Here constant to c is equal to minus 12. Constant value c equal to minus 12. Find number 1 center. The center of the circle is equal to minus g comma minus f minus g. G means a by 2 comma minus f minus b by 2. Already here given that center of the circle, center is equal to 2 comma 3. Center is equal to 2 comma 3. Equating center of the circle. Again here equating x coordinates minus a by 2 is equal to 2. Again equating y coordinates minus b by 2 is equal to 3. Minus a is equal to 2 2s are 4. A is equal to minus 4. Minus b equal to 2 3s are 6. B equal to minus 6. So therefore a equal to minus 4 and b is equal to minus 6. So again second value radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. G square plus f square minus c. Here g is equal to a by 2. A by 2 whole square plus f is equal to b by 2. B by 2 whole square minus c. C is equal to minus 12. Minus into minus plus 12 under root. b by 2 whole square, b square by 4 plus 12 under root r is equal to a equal to substitute minus 4 whole square by 4 plus b equal to substitute minus 6 whole square by 4 plus 12 under root r is equal to minus 4 whole square plus 4 square 16 by 4 minus 6 whole square plus 6 square means 36 by 4 plus 12 under root 4 1 the 4 4 the 4 1 the 4 9 the r is equal to 4 plus 9 plus 12 under root r is equal to 4 plus 9 13 plus 12 25 under root 25 means 5 therefore radius of the circle is equal 5 radius of the circle is equal to 5 here find the small a comma small b values here small a is equal to minus 4 small b is equal to minus 6 here radius of the circle is equal to 5 here given that center here first we find the center of the circle and equating center question number 4 if the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y small a is equal to 0 if the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus small a is equal to 0 as radius 4 then find small a if the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a is equal to 0 as radius 4 then find small a here given that radius of the circle this is the circle this is the center of the circle this is the radius of the circle here given that radius of the circle is equal to 4 here first of all finding the radius of the given circle and equating radius here given equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a is equal to 0 this is the given equation of the circle given equation comparing with general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 here comparing x coefficient to 2g is equal to minus 4 g is equal to minus 4 by 2 g is equal to 2 1 the 2 2 the g is equal to minus 2 again comparing y coefficient here y coefficient 2f is equal to 6 f is equal to 6 by 2 2 1 the 2 3 the f equal to 3 again constant c is equal to small a. C is equal to small a. Find the radius. He has given the radius of the circle. We find the radius of the circle and equating. Radius of the circle R is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c. R is equal to g square. G square is g equal to minus 2 whole square plus f square. F equal to 3 square minus c. C is equal to small a under root. Here substitute R is equal to 4. 4 is equal to minus 2 whole square 4. 3 square 9 minus a under root. 4 is equal to 4 plus 9 13 minus a under root. Squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. 4 square is equal to 13 minus a under root whole square. 4 square 16. Square root to cancel. 13 minus a. Taking minus a left side, 16 right side. A is equal to 13 minus 16. A is equal to 13 minus 16 means minus 3. A is equal to minus 3. This is the finding the value of small a. Finding the value of small a. Here, if the circle has radius at 4, find the small a. Is given that radius of the circle. Given that radius of the circle, here we find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle and equating. This is the finding the process for the center and radius of the circle. Center and radius of the circle.